So today I'm going to be showing my work on project 2. This is using the cookie authentication for the login page, connecting it to my home page of my project 1 website. So I've used the template that Professor Bund has provided, and I've modified it to include a few more functions in the JavaScript portion of the HTML document. And I've included a get cookie function and a check cookie function, as well as the set cookie function. And I did this a little bit differently. Basically, when the sub button or the submit button is clicked, it will run the check cookie function, which will then first of all check if the input email and input password fields are not blank, and if they are blank, it will show an alert to enter a email address and password. Then it will check for existing cookies, and if the cookies exist, it will authenticate the user, and it will state the user that's been authenticated and then move on to the home page of the project 1 um, website. Now if it doesn't find a cookie, it will run the set cookie function, and it will go ahead and create a new cookie and authenticate the user, and then move them into the home page of the website. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate this. I already have it pulled up here. This is the authentication page, and I'm running Firefox, but just to go ahead and make sure that I'm showing that this works correctly, I'm going to go ahead and delete my cookies for AWS. Alright, so now that the cookies are deleted, I believe I have to refresh my environment here. I believe now if I go ahead and preview, open this in a new tab. Okay, so I can go ahead and get started. So checking first, the fields are empty, and we do get this alert. If I type something into the email address portion, it will still give me an alert because the password field is empty. If I fill the password field and the email is empty, I'll still get the alert. So I'll go ahead and test with a test email and a password this time. And then let me go ahead and open up the console just so you can see what's going on here. Alright, so I was able to determine the input email value. I started loading the get cookie, and then did not find any cookies, entered the set cookie routine, and then also once again loaded the cookies just to show that it is there now, and a cookie has been created successfully for the test email. Now if I go back and I try this again, it will say that the cookie has been authenticated for the test@mail.com, and it'll take me into the email. So just to show that works, I'll do a email@gmail.com. So again, loading a cookie, not finding it, but we're finding the test email. So we're going to set the cookie, and we're now getting an email@gmail.com, and the cookie was successfully created for email@gmail.com. And if I go back and I try to log in with the email@gmail.com, we can see that it's been authenticated. and I'm able to access the website. Alright, thanks for watching.